Today, I'm going to share with you a program that's not only going to help you lose weight, but help your brain feel great. That's right. We are going to take this journey together because you're not alone. You always are going to have someone there that's going to help you along the way. So let's ask ourselves this question. How am I going to live my best healthy life every single day? Hello, everyone. I'm Athena. I came to the Space Coast over 10 years ago. And no matter where I live, I always wanted to live my best, happiest life. That's what we all want, right? But I was stuck in the grind, going to work, coming home, going to work, coming home, going to work, coming home. Crappy people to work with, crappy lifestyle. I was always tired, feeling kind of ick all the time. And then I remember Tony Robbins saying, ask yourself a powerful question. So I thought about it and I said, okay, how can I have more energy that will last me throughout the day? So the first thing I thought of, well, that's a loaded question because there's a lot of things and a lot of components that go into us having healthy bodies every day, right? But when you ask the universe a question, it gives it to you. And this wonderful, tall, slender, beautiful smile woman came into my class named Leila and introduced to me Juice Plus. Now I said, oh yeah, that's that that's kind of like a Jack LaLanne program like back in the 90s. She said, no, Juice Plus is whole foods. I said, oh, okay, so it's like a program that you eating healthy foods each day, right? She says, yes, but it's whole foods in a capsule, whole organic, no GMO foods in a capsule that you eat each day. Oh, it's like vitamin. No, it doesn't have synthetics in it. It's freeze dried, whole organic foods that you consume every day, and it heals your body, gives you energy, and you feel great. Oh, okay. So when I finally got the concept of what Juice Plus was, capsules or superfood powder or protein powder or energy powder, I was able to incorporate that into my daily habits. Then she said, do the Juice Plus Shred 10 program. I said, oh, what's that? Well, it's a program that's going to help you eliminate the things that are not serving your body and life and help incorporate positive habits to gain that energy and vitamins and nutrition that you need each and every day. And Juice Plus Shred 10 does that for you. Oh, okay. So I looked at the program and there was a couple of things that I needed to add to it to help incorporate my positive habit living. So that's what I'm going to share with you today, absolutely free. So first you're going to go to the Juice Plus 1 week before. You're going to go to your pantry and eliminate high sugar, high salt, fried foods, dairy foods, sodas out of your life. Now, are we going to do this all at once in the first 10 days? Probably not. But if you take 1 or 2 or 3 suggestions from the Shred 10 program, you're going to come out on the other side proud of yourself. And the next thing you're going to do is to sign the Shred 10 promise. So essentially, the Shred 10 promises helps you to be accountable to you. And don't we want that? Yes, we do. And I'm always here to make suggestions, and you're welcome to message me because I'm going to give you this absolutely free with a couple of recipes. They're going to help you every single day. Help keep that motivation up in every way. Next thing on the Shred 10 program is to purchase the Juice Plus Whole Foods, either capsules, fruits, veggies, berries, or the superfood powder, fruits, veggies, berries, and omega capsules, because we need omegas in our life. We don't produce them naturally. We need them to take down our inflammation, to lower our cholesterol, to help our heart health, to help our digestive health, all the above, right? You're going to purchase the protein powders. And I suggest doing both the complete vanilla or chocolate and the Perform protein powder, because each of those protein powders have different essential minerals and B12 in it that we need out of both of them. Then you're going to go ahead and purchase the Luminate. Luminate is going to help us keep that energy out throughout the day, because our brain health is the most important, and we need Luminate to increase and keep that brain activity going. And then in the Juice Plus program, I've itemized out every day a program plan. So you're going to wake up in the morning, you're going to take your Juice Plus. You're going to do the recipe that is anti-inflammatory called golden milk. Now in the golden milk, you're going to add the protein powder, the cinnamon, the turmeric, and you're going to make your golden milk with either oat, coconut milk, or almond milk. The recipe is there for you. You're going to take your Juice Plus capsules or protein. You're going to take your Juice Plus capsules or superfood powder and omega capsules. In the golden milk, you already are going to add your protein powder, so that is your meal for the morning. You're not going to eat breakfast. You're also going to incorporate an exercise program. So the exercise program is only 10 to 15 minutes. If you can do it to 30 or 45 minutes, that's great. Walk, strength train, hydrate, golden milk, exercise, go to work, have a great day. Midday, eat your solid meal. After your solid meal, take your Luminate to keep you up for the rest of the day. At nighttime, you're going to take the Juice Plus complete and or Perform protein shake. Add fruit, add veggies to it. When you take this protein shake, it helps to keep you from being hungry, and it helps to train your stomach to not need so much solid food. So that's it. Exercise, sleep, meditate, eat right, take the Juice Plus whole foods, and feel great for the rest of the day. Sometimes we just need someone that's going to believe in us and help us along the way. So any suggestions, go ahead and message me. This program is free to you. If you have already protein powders, if you have already vitamins, use them up, then come back to the Juice Plus. Juice Plus Whole Foods, I want you to look at the ingredients on the things that you have and that you're consuming. If you're consuming anything that you can't understand, it is not a whole food product. I'm going to leave you with one other thing. In the words of Winston Churchill, never, never, never give up. I believe in you. You can do it.